Aiden, what do you call this thing?
Glow shine, glow shine, glow shine.
What is it?
It's a glow shine. It's a glow shine. Hey, 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 it's a glow shine. Oh, it's just a big glow shine. The cars are glowing one by one. Okay, now can you watch the video?
You wanna watch the video? Okay, hold on. Let's see if we can
Take
get the
a
glow shine.
picture around the world. Nobody noticed that somebody had taken a picture right a spiky way. Glow, shine, hot, yes, glow.
How'd you get the idea for this, Aiden? How'd you decide to do this?
Because I thought it would be cool.
Uh-huh. And we found the flashlight last night, right?
Yeah. And shout, and shout. Look, even the light can turn up. See?
Uh-huh.
And I can even look at my paintings. And that one, pretty nice. Okay, now can you see the video?
Okay.